to introduce you to somebody special that's here, and her name is Genevieve Mariko Wilson. Genevieve is she's currently starring in a movie called Turning Japanese with Brian Austin Green, and she's a Japanese-British actress. She's here, she's invading America, and she's on a mission also to raise funds for the tsunami victims in Japan, and she knows quite a few of them. But she's here today. She's just going to say hello. Let's hear it for Genevieve Mariko Wilson.
Hi, I'm Genevieve Mariko Wilson. I'm from Japan. I'm half British. I'm very pleased to be here today. With George Barris and Casanova, wonderful Casanova. We just won 10 awards for the Turning Japanese movie. It's going to be a feature, and I just won the best actress for the Turning Japanese movie. So it's going to be fun, and I'm going to be recording a couple songs with the producer too. So I'm working two things at one time. So anyway, I'm so pleased to be here. Thank you.
I'm George Barris' publicist, and we're here today at the 8th annual George Barris Culver City Car Show. There's 25,000 fans coming here today, 5 bands, over 100 vendors. This is one of the premier hot rod shows in Southern California, United States. It's George Barris' own show. And we've had a lot of friends and guests, including Genevieve Mariko Wilson today, and Erica Eleniak, and Joe Montana, and lots of stars, and all the cast of Car Warriors on the Speed Channel, which George Barris is a character member. And we're so happy that Genevieve could make it today. The fans really loved her, and they're thinking about the folks in Japan, and they loved her. They just liked her walking out on the stage. She didn't perform, but that's okay. We'll get over it. Thanks for coming out today.
Thank you.